brought you a little Shrek dressed like a donkey.
Come on now. I never seen that before. Dad is like, cosplay. Look at that, Shrek. You cosplaying. It's about time I'm the star. This is crazy cool. I like that.
He likes you more than Shrek. That's why he's dressed like a donkey.
Awesome. Love that. I mean, who wouldn't want to do, who wouldn't want to dress like a donkey? You know what I'm saying?
I was a donkey and
You were a total donkey. That's amazing. Here, you stand next to me and we'll take a picture. It'll just be a couple of donkeys. Here we go.
Perfect.
So amazing. Cheese.
Jeez.
That thing looks like a gremlin.
Yeah, he is. Kind of a little gremlin. A donkey gremlin.
IP infringement right there, I think. It's a good thing you dress him as a donkey and then Spielberg won't notice. That's good. All right, well, it's nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Who you dressed as?
Oh, me?
Yeah.
Oh, I'm Daphne.
Okay, that's cool. We're gonna solve some mysteries.
Yes, I'll go solve some mysteries right now. The mystery of the missing waffle.
Tell that dog they got to come over and bring some snacks.
Oh, okay, I will.
Yeah, I like that guy. He's funny.
Okay.
Yeah. He's trying to talk like me. It's crazy. I taught him everything he knows. Yeah. I'd be like, just say Scooby snacks, and he'd be like, Ruby rats. And no, try it again. Try to get S's, man. He got no S's, We're working on it though.
We're working on it.
Yeah, everything's with an R instead. I don't know why he does that, but we're working on it. I'd be like, just go, and he goes, and then I go say Scooby, Ruby. No, come on, say he goes, he knows how to do that. And I put the two together, Ruby Roo. Yeah, it's weird.
That's so weird.
Yeah. All right, Daff, I'll see you later.
Okay, see you.
Daffy, I'll see you.
Bye.
Have fun.